Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Whoa, I have really fallen behind with these two hurricanes that really put me behind. I'm starting to catch up. I bought this radio back in September 20th with the intention of doing, a review within a couple of days. Well, I've only had about 15 minutes of time on this radio. So, and it's got so many features that I'm struggling. So what I was thinking I would do is I have downloaded the manual, and I want to go through the manual with you quickly and just kind of show you via the manual the features of this radio. Now, this is the Raddy RF757. It uses the app to also control it, similar to a radio I've reviewed from Raddy. I love this feature because you can set up the radio in another room, like in my office, and then I can go in my bedroom and lay down and use my cell phone to use the radio. AM, FM, shortwave, VHF, UHF, CB, air, and NOAA. Wow. 1,000 presets, which means it has ATS, auto tuning and storing. So let's look at the manual here. Here's the manual. I've already gone up a few pages. Okay, here's the user manual. Here are, for instance, the FM allows 4 frequency bands, depending on where you live. And of course, in the United States, we would use the one that has 10 kilohertz steps. So that's the FM band. There's the app you can download to control it. It's available both for Android and Apple. Here's the function keys. It's got a bazillion function keys and sub keys and everything else. Sleep timer, volume control up and down, band select, sub band select. And I got to sneeze, stand by. Sorry. Ooh, early in the morning, I have to sneeze. There you go. Record, so you can record with this off the radio. Oops, I skipped here. And then changing the frequency button up and down. Choose the channel using the knob. Squelch control, alarm setting, record via Bluetooth, lock the keyboard out, snooze, it will display temperature. Oh my gosh. Has a flashlight. I forgot about that. Uses TF card for playing back. It has an external antenna, which for shortwave, the built-in antenna is almost totally useless. Look at all the things. Look at all the things on the display. Oh my gosh. I haven't even begun to look through this. Demodulation method, signal intensity, signal to noise ratio. Phew, boy, all this stuff. Bluetooth. Look at this. Recording indicator, as I said, it can record. Scan button. Thermometer. Day of the week. And here's the functions. Turning it off and on. Here's again the various bands. FM. 4 of those. Shortwave. VHF. Shortwave goes from 3.2 to 30 megahertz. VHF, UHF goes from 25 megahertz to 1 gigahertz. Wow. And it has an airband and a weather band. This this radio is loaded. I'm really looking forward to testing this. Go through this a little more quickly. There's the bands again. Bluetooth mode. Use the Bluetooth mode, for instance, to run that application to control the radio. Equalizer. Updating the time. Scheduling a clock. Backlight setting. I don't know if you can. Well, this is kind of funky where the conversion of the PDF to Word had a little problem there. I was trying to see if the backlight is always on. That's what I want. I know it uses up the battery, but when I'm manually tuning, I like the backlight to stay on, not go off every 5 seconds. USB charging and PC auxiliary input function. Oh my gosh. Antenna has a built-in medium wave antenna and a telescopic antenna, which is good for FM, not good for shortwave. It has a 2500 milliamp hour lithium battery, which is removable. Will accept TF cards. And matters needing attention related to battery. Okay, so that's the manual, very quick overview. Let's go back here. There's the radio. Very nice, bright, easy to read display. The radio fits in the palm of your hand. The dimensions they give, here they are. 2.76 by 1.57 by about 6 inches. Comes with these options, the USB cable, a earbud, and I think this middle one is a very short antenna, I think. I may be wrong. Maybe a microphone for recording. I haven't tried it. And I caught it right here when it was, and I actually got it cheaper than that. I got it for $69 because there was an additional coupon when I bought it. So I got it for $69. It's normally $84. No, normally $94, $99, $95, and now it's down right now for $85. Got pretty good rating. Got a couple of 1 stars. I'm not sure why. Rating is a little low. One of the things that these types of radios, these little portable radios that have shortwave, they get sometimes low rating because the shortwave reception is poor, because people use this built-in antenna, which is not practical for shortwave. You need at least 20 feet of wire, at least. Also, I noticed the tuning dial is right here. That's different. I'll be showing you that. Let's see if there's an ad. Yeah, it's good enough. Only 15 left in stock. And like I say, it did have this super deal October 10th. Well, they actually don't show the super deal I got on October 29th. Was it October 29th? No, October 20th. This might have been it. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what this guy shows. 19th, 22nd. And then mine was brand new. It's not used. Okay, that's it. Again, I apologize because I haven't learned how to use the radio enough to actually show you it working. Overall, AM and FM reception was super. I just did a quick scan of the shortwave band using the built-in antenna. I got one station, one station, so that might be reason for these low ratings. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. And again, I will be learning this radio this week and actually showing you the radio in action. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.